2 minus 3x squared plus 9x equals to 0. We are going to solve this quadratic equation, and we are trying to solve this one by the standard quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c. So first we have to compare the equation with ax squared plus bx plus c. So how can, here a equals to, a means the coefficient of x square, which is minus 3. B equals to coefficient of x, it's a 9, and c equals to in constant, which is 2. So x equals to, we know, minus b plus minus root over b square, right? It's a b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So first here is a minus b, it means minus 9 plus minus, and then root over b square. So b square means 9 square minus 4 times a means minus 3 and c means 2 divide 2a, it means 2 times minus 3. So here we can write minus 9 plus minus root over 9 square means 81, minus and minus it will be plus. So 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 2 24, right? And then divide 2 times minus 3, it's a what? It's a minus 6. Okay, now we have to compare with this one. Here is a minus 9, then plus minus root over 81 plus 24 is a 105, and we have to keep this one because we cannot segregate by this any perfect square. So here is a minus 6. We can write once positive, it means x equals to, here is a minus 9, then plus root over 105 divide minus 6, right? So this case, what can we do? We can write like, we can take common minus. So here it will be 9 minus root over 105 and divide minus 6. So our answer will be like minus 1 divide minus 6 times 9 minus root over 105, and finally 1 by 6 times 9 minus root over 105. It's a one part. Second part, once negative. So x equals to minus 9, then minus root over 105, then minus 6. So we can take common minus. So here will be 9 plus root over 105 divide minus 6. So finally we can write 1 by 6 times 9 plus root over 105. This is our answer. So number 6 has done.